The Fiero Club is here at GM Nationals, and I've got to show you this stuff. I have got to show you this. Nice little Fiero. I always enjoyed them. Beautiful cars. It was a shame that they did not continue on. Yeah, that's for real. That is for real, folks. Look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You see this little girl coming down. Don't think it's nothing. That is too cool. There's a batch of them over here, which is kind of nice. Look at this. They've got this thing down right. Sweet, sweet, sweet.
What suspension do you have?
Wow.
So we designed and built our own tubular suspension.
What about the shocks and coilovers?
So QA1.
That is gorgeous. What do you think, folks?
I don't care what car.
Of course, what's a Fiero showing without at least one Mera? I'll get it right eventually. These things were so cool. I mean, doesn't it look nice? Actually, it looks like the 308, doesn't she? And this one, of course, goes all the way with the badging. The rims. At least it's got V6, so at least it's, what was that, almost a V8, so 2 less. Was that 3/4? There we go, 3/4 of a Ferrari. We like it. They got into trouble from Ferrari with all of this, but it's worth it, wouldn't you agree? Nice little convertible.